Hi, I'm Kathy Clark. I'm an artist here in Reykjavik, and I'm going to have an exhibition at Studio Soul. The opening's March 2nd, and I invite you all to come. My installation revisits the attempts of early civilization to explain humans' place in the cosmic scheme and to understand the relationship between earthly existence and the divine. So this work aims to renew a primal connection to the feminine landscape and to the icons and symbols, and through my expression of my creative practice. My hope is that the viewer can restore their own sense of connection to nature and a sense of their place in the natural world.